Electronic Music Malta tista' tgħid iġġib taħt saqaf wieħed l-artisti innovaturi jew dilettanti tal-mużika elettronika u titratta l-mużika elettronika minn ħafna ambiti mhux biss il-produzzjoni imma anke l-element ta' legacy, l-element edukazzjonali kif ukoll l-element tal-innovazzjoni.
Blitz is a contemporary art space in Valletta which was founded in 2013. It is housed within a repurposed typical Valletta townhouse. And since its founding, Blitz has worked continuously and constantly towards bringing international contemporary art scene to Malta, while simultaneously establishing a place for Malta and Maltese contemporary art in the international scene.
FTZ Community Foundation is a Maltese NGO that supports and works with and collaborates with local artists as well as cultural operators. Its modus operandi, its objectives and ambitions is to work together with all the spheres of artistry whereby we can work on a national level as well as implementing European projects.
L-Għanja tal-Poplu huwa festival ta' kanzunetti oriġinali bil-Malti. Fil-fatt din is-sena, għalkemm hija sena speċjali mħabba ċirkostanzi illi għaddejjin minnhom, l-Għanja tal-Poplu ħajkun qiegħed jiċċelebra l-44 edizzjoni tiegħu.
Circus tista' tgħid huwa konferenza u festival fl-istess ħin li jaqqat l-għanijiet kollha tal-Electronic Music Malta jew f'ġurnata jew f'weekend. Bis-saħħa tal-Investment in Cultural Organizations Grant imniedi mill-Malta Arts Council aħna bekk nistgħu nieħdu f'livell differenti dan il-festival li nagħmlu.
Thanks to the ICO in collaboration with the ACM and VCA specifically because we are based here in Valletta at the Splendid, we know that we can achieve what we can achieve, that in 3 years' time is over the course of this program we can consolidate and professionalize the system and setup we've developed in order to facilitate, cultivate, foster and help established artists, but most especially young upcoming artists.
With the support of Arts Council Malta and Valletta Cultural Agency, together with various other stakeholders and patrons, Blitz is able to continue to be pivotal to the development of the contemporary art scene in Malta.
Grazzi għal Kunsill Malti għall-Arti u minn dis-sena wkoll għal Valletta Cultural Agency l-Għanja tal-Poplu din is-sena grazzi għal dawn iż-żewġ sostenituri kbar tagħna il-festival l-Għanja tal-Poplu f'ċirkustanzi differenti, format differenti u ġdid ser jerġa' jkun hemm.